Today we are going to see how to find the square root in 2 seconds without using a calculator. For example, say if we want to find the square root of 576. Step 1. Strike the last 2 digits and guess the last digit of the answer. That is, the last 2 digits are 7 and 6, you strike them and you guess the last digit of the answer by using the last digit in the question. For example, in this question the last digit is a 6. From this table we get the unit digit as a 6 here and also here. So there are two possibilities for the last digit of the answer. It can be 4 or a 6. Step 2. Find the square root of the closest perfect square less than or equal to the given number of the remaining digits. Once you scratch 7 and 6, the remaining digit is 5. For this 5, the nearest perfect square is 4. Choose a perfect square which is less than the remaining number. So, the square root of 4 is 2. So, the first digit is a 2. Treat this number as n and proceed to step 3. Step 3 is find n into n plus 1. That is the number you obtained in step 2 into that number plus 1. You perform that. That is 2 into 3, which is 6. As 2 into 3 is 6, you compare the first digit in the question or the remaining digits other than the last 2 digits in the question with this number. If the first digit in the question is less than this number, then choose the lower of the 2 digits in the step 1. If the first digit is greater than the n into n plus 1 product, choose the higher digit among the 2 digits in step 1 as the last digit. Now we will find the square root of 2025. First step is strike the last 2 digits. Try to find the last digit of the answer using the unit digit of the question. Last digit is 5. In this table there is only one option. So you can eliminate step 3. This is 5. Find the square root of the closest perfect square of remaining digits. Remaining digits are 20. A perfect square nearer to this 20 is either 16 or 25, but we have to take always the lesser one. So take 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So the answer is 45. Square root of 2025 is 45. Now we will find the square root of 8281. Step 1 is strike the last 2 digits. Unit digit is a 1. From the squares table, unit digit is a 1 in 2 rows, row 1 and row 9. So there are two possibilities. The last digit of the solution can be a 1 or a 9. It's a guess. We don't know exactly which one. Out of the remaining 2 digits, which is 82, the closest perfect square less than the number is 81 and square root of 81 is 9. So this number is 9. So you perform 9 into 9 plus 1, that is 9 into 10, which is 90. As we can see that this 82 is less than 90. 82 is less than 90. As it is less, choose the lower of the 2 numbers in the step 1, that is 1. So the answer is 91. Now let's try to find the square root of 6241. Strike the last 2 digits. Unit digit is a 1. So the last digit or the unit digit of the answer can be a 1 or a 9. So write like this. Last digit is 1 or a 9. Now take the remaining digits, 62. The closest perfect square to 62 is, from this table, 49. Square root of 49 is 7. So the first digit is 7. Now you perform 7 into 8, which is 56. So here 62 is greater than 7 into 8, 56. So choose the As it is a greater, choose the higher number among the 2 in the units place, that is 9. So the answer is 79. 79 into 79 is 6241. 79 square is 6241. Yes. Now we can solve any square root number within seconds without a calculator. Do subscribe to our channel for more such Vedic maths tips and become a human computer.